Defining range names. To define a name for a cell or range of cells, select insert name, define from the menu bar. The following dialog box will appear. You can even give names to cell or cell ranges instead of using their address. After assigning names to cells or cell ranges, you can use these names in formulas instead of the addresses. The above formula can be written as value 1 plus value 2. After assigning the name value 1 and value 2 to cell G8 and Y10 respectively. Working with formulas, the distinguishing feature of a spreadsheet program is that it allows you to create a mathematical formulas and execute functions. Otherwise, it is not much more than a large table for displaying text. Formulas are entered in the worksheet. Cells must begin with an equal sign. The formula is written in the formula bar. The formula includes the addresses of the cells. The calculation executes immediately. See the example below to view the formula for calculating the subtotal for a number of textbooks. The formula multiplies the quantity and price of each textbook and adds the subtotal for each book. Linking worksheets. While applying a formula in a worksheet, you may want to use the value from a cell in another worksheet within the same workbook. For example, the value of a cell A1 in the current worksheet and cell A2 in the second worksheet can be added using the format sheet name, call address. The formula for this example would be is equal to A1 plus sheet 2 A2, where the values of cell A1 in the current worksheet is added to the value of cell A2 in the worksheet named sheet 2. Functions. In a spreadsheet, functions are built-in formulas used to perform complex operations such as adding the contents of a range or finding the absolute value of a cell's contents. Every function returns a value and may accept one or more arguments. An argument is a value passed to the function to perform an operation. The arguments are passed to the functions within parenthetics. There are functions that are simple to execute, whereas some are more complex. Functions can be used in formulas. Functions can be a more efficient way of performing mathematical operations than formula. For example, if you wanted to add the values of cells D1 through D10, you would type the formula D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4 plus D5 plus D6 plus D7 plus D8 plus D9 plus D10. A shorter way would be to use the sum function and simply type sum D1 to D10. Some commonly used functions examples are given in the table below. Sum is equal to A1 to A100 finds the sum of cells A1 through A100. Average B1 to B10 finds the average of cells B1 through B10. Max C1 to C100 returns the highest number from cells C1 through C100. Min D1 to D100 returns the lowest number from cells D1 through D100. SQRT D10 finds the square root of the value in cell D10 today, returns the current date, leave the parentheses empty. Function wizard to view all functions available in MS Excel, a spreadsheet, and to apply any of them. The function wizard can be used to activate the function wizard. Select insert function. The following dialog box will appear. You can select any function from the given list of functions. Click OK to apply the selected functions. The function wizard will ask you the arguments for the location.